Oh guys, nandito kami guys, nag-booking with. Ayan guys, oh, gwapa guys. Oh, gihawi na daw siya guys. Hawa, oh. Oh, lisod kini maglakbay like kay naguyoron guys. Guyod guys, oh guys, guyod. Ayan guys, oh. Sugang ulan kanina guys. Tapos ngayon, walking kami dito sa may tabi-tabi. Yan. Tapos guys, oh. Tapos mamaya uulan na naman to. Dami ng improvement dito sa SM Uptown guys. Dami na open. Zibom Homes. And then yeah guys, we have the business park.